So guys, I just found out that my passport is expiring next month and I will be in Thailand. So I have to go and get a new passport and I have to go to Canada to get it because I can't do it by mail. It's a long story. I have to leave tonight to go to Canada. But lucky for me, my good friend Renee invited me to fly back with him. And even luckier for me, Renee has a jet. And in other news, tomorrow is Valentine's Day, and I know Hannah's gonna be upset, so I have to make it up for her. So I've been going around and picking up all kinds of stuff that'll keep her company because I won't be here too. So yeah, that sucks. But sometimes, you know, you gotta handle business and you just gotta wake up and smell the roses. Finally got all Hannah's stuff. She's on her way home right now. I had to run up the street on full patrol, make sure she doesn't see me. Holy shit, I have to leave soon. When we go out to dinner tonight, before I leave back to Toronto, I'm gonna be like, oh, I forgot something upstairs. I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna lay all this shit out nice.
3 hours later.
Oh shit, wait, I forgot my passport upstairs. Where's that? So I leave from the airport from the restaurant, and when she comes back to the apartment, she will have a nice little Valentine's Day set up because I'll get to spend it with her.
Strange.
Alright guys, so this is the
Buonasera, Signorina, buonasera. It is time to say goodnight to Napoli.
Happy Valentine's Day, babe. I love you so much. Sorry I couldn't be here. I feel like an asshole, but I hope this makes you smile. And I hope you have a great day. Love you, baby. So weird that my passport's just in my bag. I think it's just in my bag. Give me a kiss, babe. This is our Valentine's Day moment here.
Oh, this is?
This
yeah.
is it.
You better fucking think of something better than that.
I better think of something better than that.
Yeah.
I'll try.
Yeah, you better.
I'll try to think of something.
Get to trying. Why are you videotaping all
I
of it?
can't videotape you.
I just don't get it.
What'd you say?
Really vlogging it.
What'd you say?
I said I'd love to see the vlog of your plans for making up Valentine's Day to me. I'd love to see it.
Look at that view though.
It better have a tail and little ears and go woof. Woof.
Maybe it goes. Arrrr.
I would like that too.
You know what's funny? I was gonna ask you to sign this.
I already did it, my friend.
This all better be leading to some magnificent like ending, like, oh, this is what I surprised Hannah with ending. It better be. Don't put me on the spot.
What are you gonna sing, Hannah?
You're gonna sing "Love Yourself," Justin Bieber. You wanna do that?
Yeah, sing that. I love that song.
It's a great song, isn't
I
it?
feel like I'm gonna
treat us. We leave.
For all the
Times that you rain on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, 'cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby I've been moving on. I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. Across the sea, I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
Wow! Next level, guys. Encore.
good voice. Wow.
Wow.
You got that whole
I have to peer pressure her more often.
Your voice has got that whole, where they put that emotion on the nose.
Absolutely.
That's hard to do, man.
I went downstairs that when I came out of the bathroom, she'd be singing.
Yeah.
So I was like, I can't sing, I can't. Okay, all right. That's
Okay, I'll sing.
all right.
We're just waiting for Renee to get on the piano.
Guitar was good too. Guitar's nice.
Yeah.
This is, Jesus.
A few moments later.
We're taking off.
Hi. Call us the Pineapple Express.
Hey, we're off. Hey, bro. Up, beautiful.
Up and away.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Close to the guy.
This thing's flying.
Close to the guy. Close to the guy. Or the devil.
Ore Padre Fieri Spirito Santo. Morning from Toronto. Woo!
Yes, sir. Where would you like to go?
Nice and hot out this morning, huh?
Yeah, I've waited for a long time. 6 o'clock.
Freezing my balls off. Time to go get a new passport.
So close the mouth. You like it?
I look pretty?
It's handsome, not pretty.
Wow, handsome.
Okay.
There we go.
Very
Instagram.
handsome.
Go on Instagram. Follow me. Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. Wow.
Will you be my Valentine? No.
Working.
We're working.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Take care. Now I'm off to the passport office. Hopefully, early enough there's no line so I can get this shit over with. Woo. I'm out here in the city of Mississauga. Time to get this passport, baby. Got it done. Got to come back today at 3 p.m. to pick up my passport, so.
2,000 years later.
I want to know something funny about Canada. In Canada, they allow you to pump the gas and then pay. The trust is real out here, folks. The trust is real. And we're off. Everybody always asks me, do you own Longos? If I owned a grocery store, do you have any idea how fat I would be? A lot fatter than I am now, I can tell you that. Back here again to pick up the passport. Hopefully this is the last fucking time. More lines than a Narcos episode.
Pablo Escobar.
Low key, I look good looking as fuck in this picture. I did it. We did it. Mission completed.